Hello guys, this is Frank with Texas Slab Leak Repair. In this comprehensive video, we'll cover warning signs, locating electrical lines, the excavation process, and how to repair a slab leak. Slab leaks can happen in any home, and it's important to be aware of the warning signs. Here are a few common indicators. Keep an eye out for cracks in your walls or floors, unexplained wet spots, or excessive moisture buildup. Leaks, especially when hidden under the slab foundation, can lead to a noticeable spike in your water bill. Also, if you notice a sudden drop in your water pressure, it may be a sign that there's a leak somewhere.
Okay, the one thing about it that I was wanting to talk to you about is, do you see these two lines right here? These are both electrical lines. So, I don't know what's going through them. It could be 110, it could be 220. But they're both. One looks like it's bigger than the other one. Well, look at it, about the same size. Okay, so the cold line, here's a picture of the return, 3/4 return, and then the 1.5 hot. This is the 1.5 cold, and you can see it's 1.5 inches. It's the same size as this pipe, so I know that we're looking at 1.5 inch pipe. So I've got it pumped down. And I would have to basically get this ready for a pump press.
That was one of our master plumbers, Mike. So once the electrical lines are marked and secure, experienced professionals use specialized tools and techniques to dig precisely to the affected area. The repair process typically involves assessing the extent of the damage, fixing the leak, and reinforcing the slab. This might include rerouting or replacing damaged pipes and applying a waterproof membrane to mitigate future leaks.